Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Let me give you a quick peek of our journey to Maldives from Toronto. Sit back, relax and watch the video. It was a long journey from Toronto to Montreal to Doha to Abu Dhabi to Malé to Kagehi Island. Yes, let me repeat that again. Toronto to Montreal to Doha to Abu Dhabi to Malé to Kagehi Island. First thing first, fill out your immigration arrival declaration at least 24 hours before traveling to Maldives. You would have to fill the declaration as well while departing from Maldives. We left home at least 4 hours in advance because there was a carnival near Exhibition in Toronto and 3 Uber drivers already cancelled on us due to traffic. We reached Toronto Pearson aka YYZ, got our luggage tags and we dropped off our baggages. Oh, one more thing, we put this air tag in each of our luggage to track them. Okay, bye-bye baggage, see you in Malé. We are catching a break at National Bank Lounge in Montreal before the long haul. Doha Airport is prepping up for the World Cup, so here is a quick look. Before we hopped into our next flight to Abu Dhabi, we got freshened up and had some food at the Al Mahal Lounge. Reached Abu Dhabi and now we have like around 2 hours time to kill, so we went to Al Dhabi Lounge and called some of our friends in Dubai, had a drink and marched towards our final destination gate. When we reached Malé, first thing I did was track my luggages, and yes, it was with us. Well, the immigration was quick. For baggages, we had to wait like for half an hour. Collected our baggages and headed to check-in for seaplane. The standard weight allowed in seaplane is 25 kg, which includes 20 kg of checked-in luggage and 5 kg of hand luggage per person. Got our boarding passes and we were transferred to seaplane terminal by bus, which was about 5 minutes drive. To be honest, I felt like seaplane terminal was more modern and chic as compared to international terminal. Malé International Airport, also known as Valina International Airport, has 3 terminals: domestic, seaplane and international. I'm already loving the turquoise blue water. Okay, so we are about to take off. This is the runway. My advice is to get a good noise cancellation headphones for the seaplane. It's so loud. Good thing is that it's just for 30 minutes. We had been crossing our fingers for not to rain, otherwise we would not be able to see the beautiful atolls. Luckily in majority part it was not raining. Oh my god, the view is stunning. The camera might not be doing the justice, but I could not believe my eyes. And we landed in this beautiful turquoise blue water. Met with our guest relationship manager who came to pick us up on a boat and showed us our island. Now you will see the worth of traveling so far. First, I could not believe my eyes. And this is the first review of our over-the-water villa, and we'll stay put here for 5 nights and 6 days. Also, you can watch the other videos that I have made of our stay here, and I have put the link in the description as well as above. After an amazing stay and being out of touch with reality, we returned to our world. We had a couple of hours to catch our flight, so we decided to do a quick Malé city tour, kept our luggage in storage and hired a guide. Victory Monument and Grand Mosque are adjacent to each other. Bought some souvenirs for friends and family. Time to return back to airport. Thanks for staying this far and watching the video. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments, and please like, share and subscribe if you have not done it already. Thank you and see you in the next video.